Hey all! Welcome to Sparkle Box! Are you curious to learn robotics or want to try something new? Science experiments? Then I have a perfect solution for you. Visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting kits for yourself. We are gonna make a kitty craft and that has a finger puppet. Just need 4 materials to make this DIY and they are origami sheets, Fevicol, sketch pens and scissors. Take an origami sheet and fold it diagonally from both the sides. Center, fold the sheet to make a diamond shape. Open the sheet and highlight the center square part. Triangles and then paste them to highlight the cat's ears. With the Fevicol. Sketch pens. Let's make the face of the cat. Please share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Sparklebox.